Kings and Queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. Today, I just wanted to hop on really quickly and talk about the elves. Everybody loves the Christmas elves from Dollar Tree, and I'm not sure that everybody knows that you can go to Dollar Tree, order them, and have them shipped. So it really depends on when you're getting them. I have had mine for probably 2 months, but these are the elves. They have them in a variety of skin tones. They actually had 3 skin tones this year. They had the fair skin, they had a medium skin, and then they had a dark skin. As you know, at this point for Dollar Tree, they're $1 each. Dollar Tree is supposed to be going up to $1.25. You can see the elves here in the product description. So that's your fair skin, your medium skin, and your dark skin elf or elves. And it looks like they are all sold out. I'm really not surprised because, like I said, I had to order mine 2 months ago, but a lot of the stores around me right now have them, which is kind of amazing. But one of the things I would tell you, if you can't find them in your local community, and you can't find them online because it looks like you can't even find them online anymore, check out the crafting groups on Facebook. A lot of people have had them where they've kept them from last year, and you know, they're willing to share or ship them to people. But you have to be careful when you get stuff out of these crafting groups. Not everybody is legit. Not everybody's here for the same reason. And so you really have to be careful and know who you're getting stuff from, because you can get ripped off. But yeah, at this point, that looks like that is your only option. Just in general, when you order things from Dollar Tree, you can have them shipped to your store for free. So I know a lot of people still don't know about that. You just order it online, ship it to the store, and it will be marked as free shipping. Now, you do have to order certain quantities. You see there's a minimum quantity. If it pops back up, there's a minimum quantity here. And so that tells you if you want to ship it to your home, here's the eligibility. And typically when I get stuff shipped to the store, it's in quantities of 24 or 36. That's typically what it's been. Now there are times where Dollar Tree will let you order what they call by unit, and you can order 3 or 5 or whatever, and still have it shipped to the store. So check out their online page. Make sure when you're looking for stuff, you know the unit size that you have to order from and all of that. So I wanted to be able to show you a little bit more, but everything's out of stock. So check with some people you know. Please make sure you know them and you're getting with safe people if you're ordering from them. But I hope this helps somebody. Have a great day.